Hey guys, it's Dalya, and today we are making super easy and quick, delicious hummus. This actually isn't the first time that I'm teaching you guys how to make hummus. I taught it a couple months back in my healthy wraps video, but I figured I really wanted to have one main video that just touched upon hummus so that anyone could come back and refer to it and you'll always know that it's here. So it all comes together in a blender. Now you could opt for a food processor, but I find that my food processor doesn't make my hummus as creamy as I would like it to. But if you like your hummus more chunky, then use a food processor. Or if you have a stronger food processor than mine, it might make it creamy, I'm not sure. But for me, I love using the NutriBullet, or you can use any high-speed blender. So to my NutriBullet cup, I'm going to start with some chickpeas. So I have here 1 can of chickpeas. I just rinse them. Next, add some tahini paste, olive oil, a half a garlic clove, the juice of half a lemon, and we may need more later, but we're gonna start off with this, and then some salt. Lastly, add in some hot boiling water. Now, I don't know if this is a real trick, but when I was in Israel, I saw behind the counter at one of the restaurants that they were adding boiling water when they were making the hummus. So I don't know if it makes it creamier or if, I have no clue what the reason was, but I saw them do it and I figured, you know what, maybe it will work. So that's what I do now. I don't know if it actually does anything to this mixture aside from make it a little bit thinner, because you need water anyways. But now I always boil it in the beginning and I just stick this in the microwave for about a minute. So easy. So then just blend your whole mixture up. I always give it a good shake in between because sometimes like stuff gets stuck, and then blend again. Okay, so now let's just check on it. You want to make sure that it has enough lemon and salt because everyone's lemons are different sizes. Sometimes you need a little bit more salt. So let's just see. Yeah. I happen to like a lot of lemon, so I'm just gonna add some more in. And then just another pinch of salt. And you always want to use kosher salt because it has way more flavor. And then just, I'll add a little bit more of the hot water in, just so that it makes it easier to blend up. And let's blend it again. Guys, wasn't that so quick? Like it literally took like 2 to 5 minutes to make this. Oops. Now how am I gonna get this off without staining myself? I like this shirt. So I guess I should not be flinging the spatula everywhere or else I'm gonna get hummus all over me. So now I'm gonna show you how you can assemble this and put it onto a nice vegetable, cracker, rice cake platter. It's gonna look so good, and obviously it's gonna taste super delicious. Obviously, we're starting off with the hummus, then add some rice cakes, and those are my favorite, but of course, if you like something else, you could totally add a different cracker. Then I have Mary's Gone Crackers, Super Seed Crackers, which I love. Next, I'm adding carrot chips, cucumber sticks, and red pepper sticks. And then I'm just making the hummus look a little bit fancier and making a little swoosh in the center, adding a drizzle of olive oil and a little bit of paprika. If you've never tried hummus, you must make it like ASAP. It is so good. I eat it with everything. I eat it with vegetables, crackers, and aside from everything on this plate, I also like to mix it into rice, salad. I dip like everything that I can into it, and it's so good. And it is way cheaper to make homemade because you can make a huge batch for like the price of a little tub. So it's so fun to make it, very easy, cheap, simple, and quick. So head to my website, it's frainingflour.com to get the full recipe. I'll leave a link in the description box below as well. And also subscribe to my channel if you like the video so you'll get to see all my new videos every week, and click on the notification bell so that you'll actually get to see my videos because you're not always shown them if you're just subscribed. You have to also press on the little bell. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you next time. Bye!